Today, we're at a large apartment complex where there are a lot of trip hazards in heavily trafficked areas. A common problem here is where sidewalks have sunken along curbs that border parking areas. We're also seeing trip hazards along building entryways. We're here to make these areas safe and to enable this property to pass an upcoming insurance safety audit. Our repair process begins with drilling small 5/8 inch diameter holes placed in strategic locations. Next, our equipment generates a highway-rated polyurethane material that easily raises and stabilizes the concrete. Unlike other lifting materials, our polyurethane is water-resistant and provides a permanent support structure. The concrete rises back to its original height in a matter of minutes. The final step in the repair process is patching the injection holes, and the concrete is then ready for unrestricted use. Acme Concrete Raising and Repair is Chicagoland's original and premier polyurethane specialist. We have the equipment, resources, and expertise to handle any HOA, commercial, or municipal project, regardless of size or complexity. Contact Acme today.